Oh, way they go. Empire Glory flying with you, rushing up by the rails. Queen's Prayer. Nine Dragon moving up in between runners is security check. Empire Glory, Queen's Player down on the inside, security check. Forest Marshal is racing forward by the rail. And nearing the far turn, Queen's Prayer is now the leader. Empire Glory, security check is running in third by some three lengths. Forest Marshal flying with you. Toy Warrior and Nine Dragon. Rounding the far turn, Empire Glory and Queen's Prayer fighting it out for the lead. Toy Warrior is now running in third down on the inside. Forest Marshal as they race the final corner. It's still entry number 8. Empire Glory, the leader. Queen's Prayer, Toy Warrior from the outside. And Forest Marshal, Just Bet on the outside. Empire Glory, Toy Warrior, Just Bet. And nearing the finish line, Empire Glory, Just Bet on the outside. And final is going to be close between Empire Glory, Just Bet. Toy Warrior took third.